How to add shipping cost on Shopify. So go to your Shopify dashboard, then go to settings that's seen on the bottom left corner. Once you're in the settings, navigate to shipping and delivery. In here, look for shipping zones, then click create zone to the right part of it. Just input the zone name and check all the countries that you want in one of your shipping zones and click on done. After that, create another shipping zone assigned to the rest of the world. To do that, click the Create Zone option under Not Covered by your shipping zones. And just check International. Also, enter a zone name like the rest of the world. After that, click on Add Rate to your two shipping zones and just set them to how you want them and click Done. Now look for the Save button on the bottom right corner and click it to save. So that is how to add shipping cost on Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.